much the rest of the school year is about polynomials. Okay, we're going to spend pretty much the rest of this quarter talking about how to add and subtract, multiply, factor, all different kinds of stuff that deal with polynomials. Okay, and then next chapter we spend pretty much half of the fourth quarter dealing with a special kind of polynomial called a quadratic. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to put polynomials in standard form. We're going to classify them and we're going to add and subtract them, because those are the parts that aren't as difficult as some of the other ones. So all a polynomial is a collection of terms separated by addition and subtraction. Okay, and an example, one that you're going to work with a lot is 2x squared plus 5x minus 9. Okay, standard form of a polynomial is writing it in order from biggest exponent to smallest exponent. Okay, so everything that we do with polynomials really revolves around the exponents. Okay, not so much the coefficients, but the exponents. Okay, so if I'm going to write this in standard form, what's my highest exponent? The 2x squared, right? So we're going to write the 2x squared first, plus, what would come next? 3x, plus, what's last? 1. Because that doesn't even have, that's actually an x to the 0 power, right? Okay, so number 2, who is going first? 7k to the third plus k squared. Then what? There you go, minus k plus 64. Good. Questions how we're doing this so far? So far, so good, right? Standard form's not so bad. How about, let's do it this way. Do number 3 for me, Marshall. Let me get there. Squared. Good. Good. Good work. And number 4 is going out to Tyler. Good. Notice how, since that minus sign is in front of my end of the third, he kept it with that end of the third. So negative end of the third, then what? Plus 24. Very good. And we went with plus 24 because it's positive, right? Good. Oh, what do we do when we have 2 letters? Okay. Standard form, when I have 2 letters, you always do alphabetical first. Okay. So number 5, what letter comes first? So we're going to classify all the A's first. So what's going to go first? A to the third plus, well, yep, A to the second, so it's going to be 5a a squared b squared, because those are all put together, plus 2ab, and then what are we going to end with? Minus 2b to the third. So that's a higher exponent, right? But because it's on the b, it ends up being left. Okay, because we had to classify, or we had to put all the a's in order before we could move on to the b's. Okay, so take a look at number 6. Taylor, F. Careful, which letter comes first? There you go. There you go. Yep. Good. We're always going to put, we call this a constant, and we're actually going to get to that in the next step. But if there's no variable hooked onto it, we call it a constant, and it always goes last. Okay? So far, so good? All right. Classifying these guys. Right? The degree that we do this, when we're talking degree, we're talking highest exponent. Okay? So we have 2 ways to classify these. We classify them by degree and by number of terms. Okay? So in number of terms, so like 4x squared can be a term, 7x is a term, 9 is a term, 8, a squared, b squared is a term. Anything that's all hooked together like that is a term. Okay, and terms are separated by adding and subtracting. Okay, so if I have a 0 degree, okay, that is called a constant. Okay, and that's just like the number 5. That's 0 degree. Okay, if there's no exponent hooked onto it. Okay, if it's to the first power, it is linear. That's like 7x. That would be x to the first power, right? Okay, so the second power is called a quadratic. So that would be 9x squared. Third power is a cubic. So 10x to the third. And the fourth power is quartic. So 2x to the fourth. Anything higher than the fourth power, we just call it like 5th degree, 6th degree, 7th degree. There's no special name for it when we get to that point. Okay? Now for a number of terms, okay, if there's just one term, it's called a monomial. Okay, because if I fight you mono-y-mono, we're fighting one-on-one. Okay, so that's a monomial. 2, what do you call something with 2 wheels? Bicycle. So this is a binomial. Okay, nomial just meaning a collection of numbers. What do you suppose 3 is going to be? Hey, trinomial. And anything with more than 3, we just call polynomial, meaning many numbers. Okay, so just the number 6. Okay, what degree is it? It's a constant. And how many terms does it have? It's just one term, right? So it's a constant monomial. over 8, what's my highest power? A 1, right? So that makes it linear. In how many terms? Just one term, so it's still a monomial. That's not how you spell monomial. All right, so number 9, highest exponent. A 1, so that makes it linear. In how many terms? A binomial, good, because there's 2 terms. Okay, who wants to take a crack at number 10? What's the highest exponent? It's a 2, so that makes it a quadratic. And how many terms? 3 terms, so that's a trinomial. Okay, highest exponent of 11. 3, so that makes it a cubic. And how many terms? 2, so that makes it a binomial. And then 12, what's it called? Quartic. And how many terms does it have? 4 terms, so that makes it a polynomial. No problem, right? And then adding and subtracting. Guys, we've done adding and subtracting. So I don't think this is going to be a huge deal. What can I only combine? Like terms. So they need to be written in standard form. So always start with your highest exponent. So when I'm adding these, what should I start with? My x squared. So I have a negative x squared plus 2x squared. What do I get? What do I get? What's negative 1 plus 2? 1. So I just have x squared. And then I'm combining 11x with negative 5x to get plus 6x. And then I have 13 and negative 23. So minus 10. And then it's already in standard form for you. Okay, you could go in any order that you want, and then at the end rewrite it in standard form if you wanted to, but I don't think you want to. Remember with subtracting, be careful. Okay, so I have 4x squared minus 3x squared. So just x squared. And then remember, you have to subtract every time. So I have 5x minus 7x. Negative 2x. So now we have to be careful. There's no constant over here, right? So we pretend like it's a 0. So I'm taking 0 minus 1 and getting minus 1. So be careful when you are subtracting. Okay, we're going to do one of each, and I'll let you guys work. Okay, so let's look at something fun here. Let's go 17. Okay, so always check, am I adding or subtracting? I'm adding. So what should I start with? All right, so I have negative p squared plus p squared. So it's 0. So do I even write anything else? No, those cancel. Now what? 5p plus a negative 4p. Or just p. Either way, I would accept either way. Okay, and then I have 8 minus or plus a negative 15. So minus 7 is going to be my answer. Okay, let's look at 23. Everybody's looking at 23 right now. What am I starting with? The v squared, right? So I have negative v squared minus positive v squared. Well, I'm not touching my exponent. It's no, it doesn't. No. Guys, this is a what? This is a negative 1 minus 1. What do I get? Negative 2. So I have negative 2 v squared. So don't let that trick you as far as doing that. Then what am I doing? My v's, right? So 7v minus 8v. Negative v or minus 1v. And then I've got 14 minus 15. Minus 1. So don't let the subtractions fool you. You have to make sure that you subtract each term.